In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram call history. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And you may be in a situation when you make some audio or video calls and now you want to delete that call logs in your chat because they are actually in your chat, and the only way to delete that calls is to delete the whole conversation. You don't get option to delete just this audio or video calls log. So to delete the whole conversation, you need to go to your messages. You can do it from your Instagram main page. Just tap here on your messenger icon, and to delete the whole conversation, swipe out and select delete, and then confirm that action to delete the whole conversation, because that's how it works. And now hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.